trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. We in 2026 and we crossed over, many people crossed over in a different way. But allow me to tell you this, it might not have happened last year, but have faith and know that it will happen this year. I know this year will be a year where God is really going to do it. But you see, people have been saying it's going to happen. And yes, Lord, when, not how. But I'm here to tell you, have a positive mindset. Have a victorious mindset. Never have a defeated mindset. And it's going to happen. It won't always be like this. Sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. By 2026, be a year where you will accomplish certain things, where you will reach certain things. May barriers be broken. May the limitations be taken off. May the limitations be taken off in your mind. In every way you think that you couldn't reach your success in a way, may barriers be broken. May you accomplish. May you succeed. May you achieve. May every devil fighting you, will he be exposed in different ways? I'm here to tell somebody. I know many people find it difficult to say, Lord, I know you're going to do it. Because they have that fear that, Lord, you didn't do it for me. But let me encourage you. If God did it last year, because you made it this, you accomplished 2025, He will surely do it in 2026. You believe and you say, Lord, the word has been spoken. The word has been spoken. The word my pastor ministered, Prophet Julian ministered, he said, the anointing will work for you. And the anointing represents God in His fullest, that God is going to do it. When you go for that interview, the anointing will work for you. When you go for that application, the anointing will work for you. I'm here to tell somebody, never have limitations on your mind. I'm here to tell you that God knows what He's doing, and He surely will do it. Never, like I say, never have a defeated mindset. Know that God is going to do it. I'm here to tell you, take off the limitations. Let nothing hold you. Things that you never accomplished in 2025, may you accomplish it this year. May you have that thing that will push you, and it will happen. I'm here to tell you that you can do it. You shall do it. May you be blessed. So,